How to log in Churchill Mortgage Account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To log in into your Churchill Mortgage account, go ahead and type in support.mychurchill.com. So this will redirect you to the help and center or to the login portal of your Churchill Mortgage. Now, right over here, what you need to do is you can enter your username or email address and a password that is associated with your account. Then, tap on the login button. If you are new to it, you can tap on the register button to sign up for your Churchill account. In the case of forgotten password, tap on the lost password option, in which you will have to enter the email address that is linked with your Churchill mortgage. Then you can click on Send Email. By tapping on it, you will receive a recovery link with which you'll be able to recover your account and log in into your mortgage account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.